Hi, this is Megan of Megan's Creations. Today I'm going to go over text paths. If you have a program that allows you to make text paths, I know I have Photoshop Creative Suite, and so I can make them in that program. And I think Photoshop Elements can do that too. But they're really fun to make, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's where you can put text on a shape like a circle or a heart or star, any shape. You can wrap the text around it instead of just typing horizontal or vertically. So you start by making a shape. I'm going to start with the circle. And before you rasterize it, you click on the text tool and you hover it over the shape, the path on the shape. That's where it gets the name text path. And wherever you click is going to be the start. So maybe we wanted, I usually like to do it down here at the bottom, so it kind of starts there and wraps around. So maybe I'll click about there. And it should be set to default to where it'll type. And again, it says, left align. You get to change your alignment. Let me make it black font here. And you just start typing. This is the text path around here. And you see it wraps around it. You can do all the adjustments that you do on text to change the spacing and the sizing. And you'll see that the text layer is its own layer now, separate from the shape. So if you don't want the shape or you don't need it, you can get rid of it later. Some other things you can do with the text path is maybe you want it to be on the inside of the circle. You click on this path selection tool here, and you see how there's a black arrow now. I click on my text and I drag it across the path, and now it's on the inside of the path. I do this often when I want a word art that has text along the top going in one direction and then text on the bottom going in the other direction. And so I'll do this kind on one of the text paths, and then do another text path, do another circle, another text path, and do it going the other way. So also what this tool can allow you to do is move that starting point different from where you had it. So if you change your mind about where you wanted it, you can use that path direction tool, selection tool to change it. Okay. Another thing you can do with text paths is you can fill a shape with text. So let's do a fun like heart shape, and that heart shape here. Okay, so we make our fun heart shape. Let's make it a different color. So get red or pink. This time you select the tool, you see how if you have the text button and you put it on the edge, there's a squiggly line, but if you put it inside the heart, inside the shape, you'll see like little parentheses around it. Click on that, and now it's going to type inside of the heart. And try to fill it as best it can. Century Gothic would be better there. I must have my font squishing up here. Okay, so you can just play around with it how much you want it to be filled in. And what's fun with the shape is then when you get rid of the shape, you can have your text is still in the shape of a heart. Roughly a heart. You do smaller font to make it real closer to the shape that you're filling in. But that's the basics of text paths, and filling a shape or just doing it along the edges of the circle. And they're really fun. You can do a text path around any shape, really. I was trying to find a layout where I've done that technique recently, but I'll see if I can make a layout next time. Do like advanced text paths around any shape that you want. You have a group of photos or a group of something, we can do a text path around the whole thing. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you play around with text paths, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.